Hi, everyone. Welcome to another English lesson with me. Today we are going to learn about the question word how. How is a word that we use to ask or answer questions about the way or manner of doing something. For example, if you want to know the method of cooking something, you can ask how do you make pizza? Or how do you boil eggs? The person can answer with the steps or instructions. Like you need flour, water, yeast, cheese, tomato sauce, and toppings. Then you mix the flour, water, and yeast to make the dough. Next, you spread the dough on a baking tray and add cheese, tomato sauce, and toppings. Finally, you bake it in the oven for 15 minutes. Or you need eggs and water. Then you put the eggs in a pot of water and bring it to a boil. Next, you lower the heat and simmer for 10 minutes. Finally, you drain the water and peel the eggs. We can also use how to ask or answer questions about the condition or quality of something. For example, if you want to know the state of someone's health or mood, you can ask how are you or how are you feeling. The person can answer with an adjective or a phrase like I am fine, I am happy, I am not feeling well, or I am sad. We can also use how to ask or answer questions about the degree or extent of something. For example, if you want to know the amount or size of something, you can ask how much is this? Or how big is your house? The person can answer with a number or a measurement. Like this is $10 or my house is 100 square meters. There are many other ways to use how in questions and answers, but these are some of the basic ones. Remember, we use how when we want to talk about the way, condition, or degree of something. Now, let's practice with some examples. I will ask you a question with how, and you try to answer it. Ready? Let's go! How do you say hello in Spanish? How are you today? How old are you? How do you get to school? Did you get them right? I hope you enjoyed this lesson and learned something new. If you want to learn more about English grammar and vocabulary, follow me on Instagram and check out my other videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.